What do we have here, Playboys? Ooh, look at that. That's one of them baguettes, ain't it? And it looks like it got some chicken teriyaki inside. Who don't love that, am I right? And then sesame seeds, look at this. This is that creme brulee. I wanted to say who don't love this, am I right? But I had this, so I had to say that about this. But who don't love this, am I right? Am I right? Can you hear me out there, am I right? Seriously, am I right? This is French onion soup, but ain't the French onion soup without this. Boop! What you know about that, baby? That's that Gruyere cheese on top of a little piece of a baguette or a panini or something. Yeah, and what we have here is Coca-Cola. And courtesy of the baguette Parisette, shoestring fries, motherfucker. Yippee-ki-yay! And a little bit of mustard to dip them in. I love it.